Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Subhanallah, what an amazing year we've had this year.
As for education in Ad-Duha,
Alhamdulilah, we teach over 200 children and hundreds of adults every week.
Weekly Arabic classes, tafsir classes, Tajweed classes throughout the week, and these vary in different levels depending on the level of the students. MashaAllah, they go from beginners to intermediate all the way to pro, and then also to mujawwad recitations. We have monthly talks, and we also have honest answers. Alhamdulillah, Ad-Duha is a great and amazing place for learning.
We also have an active sister side with many activities running throughout the year, which includes coffee mornings where we've had over 100 sisters from all different cultures and backgrounds. We have monthly talks with guest speakers on specialist topics, counselling sessions, Pearl's Youth Club for teenage girls where there's a variety of activities including trips, home economics where they're learning to cook, sew, etc. and also fun activities such as laser quest and escape room. Here at Ad-Duha Institute, it's not just about students. We have a wide range of communities, backgrounds and cultures of all different ages.
Alhamdulillah, here at Ad-Duha we have a very diverse community.
Alhamdulilah, Ad-Duha ko balo.
Alhamdulilah, जमात की परख्वाश
Ad-Duha के दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं, आए हमारे साथ शामिल हो जाएं।
ناديتك سيدي صلاة وسلام عليك يا نبي حبيبي يا محمد أتيت بالسلام والهدى محمد حبيبي يا محمد يا رحمة للعالمين يا محمد.
So here at Ad-Duha Institute, the number one need that we've identified is helping and guiding our youth, to provide empowerment to the youth so they become the next generation of future leaders, inshallah.
And don't worry, all my fellow young brothers, alhamdulillah, we got so much stuff going on. We got laser battles, we got sleepovers, we got so many adventures going on for us, alhamdulillah.
هبت نفحات أنسية فشد البلبل أنتم أجمل فالأشعار تراقص بشرا وسرى الحب دوما فوق القمم وبدا البدر الليلة شوقا يلقي الأنوار الذهبية يلقي الأنوار الذهبية يلقي الأنوار الذهبية.
So throughout the whole of the year, we've had some fantastic wide range of events, including Homeschoolers Club, youth clubs for both girls and boys, varied activities including field trips, laser tag, bead making, painting, a Ramadan teenage challenge which included prizes. We had lots of workshops which included a ghusl workshop, a dhan workshop, will making, presentations at other schools which had various topics, revert classes teaching the deen how to pray, etc., dawah training, dads and donuts, monthly talks for brothers and sisters, sports day where we had over 200 kids attend, Eid in the park with 4,000 people plus attending, including Batman and Spider-Man, painting for sisters, counselling, fatwa service and a marriage service.
Alhamdulillah, this is only possible through the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and may Allah take us from strength to strength and bring more barakah in our work.
Love is all we need.